What the hell?
What the fuck?
What is this place? Do I want chocolate or candy? Jeez.
Okay.
Thank you. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the best candy. Argue with a wall. So today we are going to be going to Cars and Coffee. Prior to heading out, I decided to host a little last minute pre-meet rally. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for coming out. We don't want to be cutting up. If we get separated, the place is called Cars and Coffee Homestead, Via Turquesa. If you see a lot of traffic and one of us gets ahead, just if you're not able to get in front of people, don't cut up. That's the one thing we don't want to do. I don't know if that was a good driver's meet or not, but basically the point that I wanted to make was for everybody not to cut up. All right. Guys, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Let's get this channel to 100K. That is the goal for the end of September, 100,000. We literally lost everybody. Well, here's the good news. At least we're not paying for Sun Pass. But where are we, bro? Like, what is this place? It's a nice neighborhood though, not gonna lie. There's no way they got here before us, chat. What's going on, man?
Let's go for it.
Thank you.
What's up, bro?
How's it going? Turning radius of a fucking cardboard box, dude. Good evening. Is this afternoon or evening?
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
You're getting close.
So my boy, when are we gonna do the video with your M2?
When I get the single mid pipe, man, I gotta get the mid pipe, and then it will sound like a true BMW.
All right, so let's check out this C8 with a titanium exhaust. I was low-key afraid that he was gonna blow my eardrums. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna leave the car right here. It's front and center of this whole entire meet. Lighting is really good. There we go, perfect. Look at this Mustang here, Cobra.
White Camaro, if you can please move your car next to the greenhouse.
That's him for sure.
If you can please move your Camaro, that would be appreciated.
This is a f***ing car. I know, not no
Yeah.
ZL1 piece of shit.
Sorry, what? Sorry, what? Miata boy?
Yo, chill, you remember that Miata?
Yeah.
What the?
GT 500. This thing is absolutely monstrous. Snack pack. We out here, Cars and Coffee Homestead. This is before the official opening times, by the way. The place is officially opened at 6:30, and I would say it's already a full house.
Homestead, man, GV aspirated popped up.
Yeah. We have a little bit of light that's making its way through the trees, hitting my car, and you get to appreciate that beautiful crystal red metallic color and the bronze wheels from MRR. Oh my God, I love this color. Check out this beautiful 992 Carrera in this purplish pink color. Wow. Honestly, who needs a Trackhawk when you have a Trailblazer like this? This guy has a 900 horsepower TRX. As you guys know, it's basically the supercharged Hellcat insane pickup truck. Check out this Challenger here, man. Is it manual?
No.
Ah, all right. All right, nah, dude, it sounds fucking brutal. Thank you, man. That was awesome. Damn, that shit is quiet. That green is. I wish Camaro made a green like that.
Yeah, I wish they made Camaros in general. Yeah, I wish
You're not worthy. You're not worthy of it anyway. This is what you need, bro. This is this.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's not. It's not right hand. All right.
Oh, it's even rarer. It's actually even rarer.
Normal way.
Normal
America way.
American, yeah, these American spec Supers are actually even rarer.
Hey, look, we're in Love Island. Don't act like you don't know what that is, bro.
I truly don't.
Someone here from Love Island?
Yeah, I was on Love Island. I got kicked out, bro.
That ass?
What season?
No, I'm not hot enough, bro. What are you talking about? You actually believe that? Hey, man, so what are some things that you don't like about car meets?
When people are playing loud music.
GLE 63S. Ooh, I don't know what this is. This is Grabber Blue. Love this color. What time is it right now? Hold on. It's 7 o'clock. 30 minutes past opening, and it is completely filled. How's it going, man? Ooh. Miss Carrera T. Dude, this is the M2 that I want. This generation of M2. Ooh. More oomph. Oh, and just a casual 720S here. One of the cleanest M4s I've ever seen. 5.0. Gen Coupe, of course. A GT3. Very soft indeed. What was that, like 4,000 RPM?
Yeah.
They wanted to see the engine bay. It's light work, nothing crazy.
Yeah.
It's got 28,000 miles.
20?
28.
28? Amazing.
He wants to put this engine in here. So now we've reached a point where cars are actually not able to go into that section over there. It's a good thing that we got here early.
Found the droid himself walking
Oh
around
my
again.
God, the droid.
The droid.
What's up, bro? How's it going? Chilling?
Great.
Got it, man.
Nice seeing you.
Nice to see you too. Nice to meet you.
As always.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments. Is this car beautiful? That is crazy. Yeah, guys, check out this thing, bro. I'm telling you, McLarens are just, they may not be the most reliable, but I definitely think they're like one of the best supercars that you could buy, man. I mean, look at the design of these things, man. Even the 570, the entry level, is still like, guys, it's gotten to the point where we literally have to move people into this roundabout here. Oh shit. What's up, man? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Mustang people watch my shit too? Oh! Oh my God! Is that Tiger Woods? Tiger Woods! Tiger! Do you have to leave early? Because like you're gonna get stuck in here. Oh my God! Oh my God, it's Tiger Woods! Always in love seeing a drop top and a Hell Kitty too. Oh my God, look at this. And the STO right behind it. Guys, answer in the comment section. Would you guys rather go to a secluded boutique car meet experience like this, or would you rather go clubbing? Let me know in the comment section below. Did I forget to mention that this place has a sim racing setup too? I'm not about to wait the line though.
Can we create an opening here? Can we push back, guys? Push open. We're trying to get a McLaren in here. DD, you are not excluded from this. Get the back, Jet.
Who needs a club when you have a car meet? Here we have the R35 GTR. As of 2025, they are no longer making anymore. What a great run. Guys, there's still more cars coming in, and like new variety too. Like, what the hell? Bro, you gotta get an exhaust on this thing now. Straight pipe it. Man, a GTR, bro. Oh, absolutely beautiful, man. Yeah, honestly, this is insane. We're still getting more cars pulling up, and mind you, it's 8 o'clock, so we still have about 2 hours or so until the meet officially ends. But I mean, oh my god. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the Hellcat that I raced in my first Fast Lane Friday with the ZL1. We're gonna do something else. What's up, bro? You're late.
Yeah. They call their car late.
C6Z06 cam. Bro, this shit fucking gnarly, bro. And right behind it, we have another, I forgot the color, but another orange one. What's up, dude? Nice to see you again. It's kind of overwhelming how many things are happening right now. We got El Alfa playing right now. Is that El Alfa? Yes, I think it is. ZL1's looking great. I mean, the vibes are insane right now. Guys, we just scored a collab with this guy. We're gonna be driving this very soon. All right, guys, so we're breaking the POV wall. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. This was an incredible event. Of course, they have the daytime meets and of course the evening meets like today. Fantastic turnout. So many cool cars, great variety, great content. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Next time I'm gonna organize the rallies and the meets ahead of time and with a little bit more caution. Sorry. No problem. Hopefully it's a lot more organized next time, but dude, like this was a fantastic meet. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out tremendously with the algorithm. If you guys want to see more of my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Guys, we're almost at 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Insane, insane. And last but not least, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.